You know those dreams where you're trying to run but you're stuck and not going anywhere? Well, now you can get that feeling in real life with a stationary cycle, but I promise it's better than those nightmares. This exercise bike won't physically move you anywhere, but it will take you closer to your health and fitness goals. What's up, guys? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Unbox This. Today we're unboxing a stationary cycle that'll fast track your health and fitness journey. Let's dig in. If you're kicking off 2022 with a newfound devotion to fitness, same. But I know how boring it can be to do the same exercises over and over again. That's why I am all about trying out different kinds of fitness equipment, especially when they don't require a gym membership. A stationary cycle is an incredible way to burn calories, increase stamina, and get some good heart-pumping cardio going. And the Hapichil Exercise Bike comes with all the features you'd want out of a stationary cycle without the exorbitant price tag you see on some at-home bikes. So let's do this. It's time to unbox this. All right, I can tell that this one's going to be a little tough for me to unbox because most large objects are, so let's just get right into it. Gonna slice it open here. Okay, this looks like it's part of the base. Here's another part of the base. This is your bike computer, so you can measure your speed, your time, your distance while you're riding. This is the instruction manual for that bike computer. These are your pedals with toe cages. So you don't need to have cycling shoes in order to ride this bike. You can just wear regular running shoes and put your feet in here. Here's your bike seat. Nice and squishy, feels like it would be pretty comfortable. Here is your resistance knob. And then in here we have a bunch of screws and wrenches so that you can install everything. These are your handlebar and seat posts, and between the two of these you will be able to set your bike up so it's optimized for your height and your body type. They provide you with a water bottle, which is so nice of them, and then also a little cup holder for your water bottle. This is the Exercise Bike Installation Manual. Okay, and now this, as I'm sure you could have guessed, is the flywheel, the body of the bike. So this is the main attraction here. I am going to set everything up, clear off the table, and then we'll talk about the Hapichil Exercise Bike. All right, we have it all assembled. Now let's discuss. The Hapichil Exercise Bike is small enough to tuck away into the corner of your office. Even if you don't have a dedicated fitness room, you can still take advantage of this machine. Now, it has 8 levels of resistance. If you're looking for a little bit more of a calorie burn, you can bump it up to a level 7 or 8. weight and let the lower levels be your way of cooling down. If you're following along to a guided stationary cycle workout, those resistance levels will help you create the illusion of riding up and down hills. Now this screen display right here gives you information about your ride, like your time, distance, and speed. You can even see how many calories you're burning. If you plan on sharing this bike with your family, the adjustable seat and handlebars make it easy to find the most comfortable riding position for each person. These quick release buttons right here make it super easy for you to just lift or lower the handlebars or the seat. Now, I like to work out early in the morning, and I know that that's not ideal for roommates and neighbors. The Hapichil Exercise Bike promises to be quiet and discreet, so you can get your sweat on no matter what time it is. So let's actually test it out, you guys. I love a good stationary cycle, so I'm excited to see how this one is. Let's hop on. Gonna put my feet into the little toe cages. Now, what kind of resistance should I do? Should I get a nice heavy hill going? Wow. It is very quiet. You really can't hear much at all. I'm gonna climb up that hill. Look at me go. Whew. Working up a sweat already. Think it's a sign that I need to work out a little bit more. I'm gonna put it on that lower level and just get a nice smooth downhill ride. Now the pedals move really, really smoothly, which I like. It doesn't feel like it's super sticky, and there's no like bumps or grinding happening. So this feels like a very well-made stationary cycle. Now a lot of stationary cycles will cost several $1,000s, and that's always made me a little bit nervous about something that's more affordable. But I do want to say, this feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel flimsy or like it's going to fall over. I can pop up on the handlebars and feel confident that it's going to support me. Yep, moving fast, burning calories, but I'm not going anywhere, except towards my health goal. Now, I've always been a big fan of exercise bikes. They're such a great workout, and with some good music, they can be a lot of fun. If you're finding that you're already burning out on your New Year's workout routines, the Hapichil Exercise Bike can inject a little bit of variation and high-intensity cardio into whatever you're already doing. If you want to try one of these for yourself, go ahead and check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys. Gotta keep working out now. Whew.